back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed an everyday makeup look using only drugstore products. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, just leave any suggestions that you have. If you guys are ready to get into this look, let's just go. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So off camera I did go ahead and do my eyebrows and prime my face. And the primer that I used today is the Master Prime by Maybelline, the Blur and Smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and today I'm using the Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 340 or Cappuccino. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to a damp beauty blender and pat it or just put it all over my face until I feel content with the coverage. As you are blending, remember to pat into your skin and not necessarily swipe, and also make sure to get your neck as well as your ear area, because we do want this to look as seamless as possible and we don't want to be looking crazy. So blend, blend, blend. Now I am going to go ahead and just add some bronzer to my face to give my face a bit more depth. And today I'm using the e.l.f. highlight and bronze palette in the shade Turks and Caicos. I go ahead and apply that underneath my cheekbones as well as my forehead and my jawline. So on a typical everyday, I do not wear concealer because I don't find the need to, and I just don't. So today, basically what I do for my everyday is add some setting powder to the areas where I would add concealer. This kind of just highlights your face, again giving it more depth and giving it more dimension. I do this so also like during the day my concealer isn't peeking through, but you still have the look of, okay, I did something to my face, it looked a little, you know, cute or whatever, but yeah. And the product that I'm using to go ahead and apply that is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is the only product in this tutorial that is not drugstore based, but I usually just get mine off of Amazon. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. And when you go ahead and wipe, you're going to do a wipe as well as a circular motion dust. This circular motion allows the product to seep into your skin as well, and it doesn't look like you didn't apply anything. As you are going along, just check your face and make sure that everything looks seamless, everything is covered, and you have the coverage that you want. And if you do notice that some areas do look a little bit sparse, go ahead and use your beauty blender with the excess product on there, and go ahead and just tap it into your skin and you'll be fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and use that same contour and highlight palette by e.l.f. using the bronze color and contouring my nose a bit. Nothing too dramatic, but something noticeable. and again, making sure that everything is blended properly. Now I'm gonna go in and do some wings. Y'all don't mind me, please. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and just add some wings to the look just because I like it. And I'm just using the color Jet Black for that. Then I'll be using the e.l.f. eyeliner and shadow stick in the color black/smoky. With this, I just add a little bit to my waterline. Nothing too dramatic because, you know, like, this is an everyday look and we don't want to look like we're going to the club or whatever. But I do add just a bit just to make my eyes pop a bit more. Then we're gonna go in with my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline the Falsies Volum Express. This mascara, y'all, I've been using this like since high school, so I want to say like 5 years, and it has never done me wrong. So if you are looking for a mascara to give you volume and just to make your eyes look pow, you know what I'm saying, this is the one for you. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some setting spray, and the one I'm using today is the NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte. Is a long-lasting setting spray. Go ahead and dry that off a bit, and to make sure that it is set properly, I do go ahead with that same beauty blender and pat in the setting spray so it's literally in my skin and not just sitting on top of it. Now I am going to go ahead and add some highlight, and the one I'm using today is Milani Baked Blush. This isn't necessarily a highlight, but it does give the look of a highlight. On an everyday, I don't want to look as dramatic as I would do like for a photo shoot or, you know, just somewhere where I'd have to be taking pictures. So this one is more so like of a rose goldish look, and I really like it for an everyday. It's super simple, but definitely there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that right along my cheekbone, to my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose as well. I'm going to go ahead and add that same highlight right underneath the arch of my eyebrow. Just being extra, this is not like a necessary step or anything, but if you like the look, I do say go ahead and do it. Just make sure you blend it out, like blend out the edges a bit. And I do go in near the tear duct area of my eye and add some there too. We're gonna give our face one more spray to again just set the face one more time. And for my everyday, I just like use some basic lip balm, and today I'm using Carmex, I think it's called. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this look. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share. Alright, bye guys.